Good morning to one and all. Today we will discuss a new lesson, acid, base and salts. In our surroundings we have different types of things will be. They should be having different types of taste. For example, when you are to eat lemon, sour in taste. When you are eat to a salt, salty in taste. When you are eat bitter gourd, bitter in taste. That's why we have a different types of tastes are present in our surroundings, water, available fruits and vegetables. So, what are the main characteristics of acids? Acids are sour in taste. The example of acids, lemon, tamarind, these are all the examples of acids. Bases, which are all having bitter in taste, is called as an basis. It is present in a neem tree, soap nuts. Next one is salt. The things which are all having salty in taste is called as salts. Example, what you are using in your home to a common salt, it is a example of salt. Acids. It is mainly classified in two types of acids. First one is natural acids. Mineral acids. Natural acids, which are obtained from animals and plants, is called as an natural acids. Example, HCl. Mineral acids, we can manufacture in a laboratory by using of chemicals, is called as an mineral acids. Example, sulfuric acid. Next one, bases. Bases are classified in two types of bases: weak acids, weak base, and strong base. Weak base, example is magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide is the weak base. Strong base, caustic soda, caustic potash. These two are examples of strong bases. Salts, which are all not having to the taste of sour and bitter, is called as an salts. Example, NaCl, CeSO4. These two are all the simple examples of salts. Either be acid or a base or a salts, we can easily to identify with testing or tasting. But some acids are harmful to us, like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, and nitric acid. So we cannot directly to touch this type of acids. When you have to touch this type of acids, harmful to our human body. It is easily to burn to our skin. So this type of acids and bases and salts we can easily to identify by using of indicators. Indicators are two types. One is natural indicators and artificial indicators. Natural indicators, cinnamon, turmeric, red cabbage is the natural indicators. Artificial indicators, methyl orange indicator and phenolphthalein. Turmeric is the natural indicator. Turmeric with acid, yellow in color, with base, red in color. Red cabbage with acid, red in color, with base, blue in color. China solution with acids, red in color, with base, green in color. Next one is neutralization. The reaction between acid and base to form salt and water. This phenomena is called as a neutralization. The example of neutralization, hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride and water. This phenomenon neutralization is very useful to us in our everyday life. Example, indigestion. When the excess of acid present inside of our stomach, then we can get a stomach ache. Then we can easily to swallow to the antacid called as a milk of magnesia. The milk of magnesia formula MgOH twice. Then the magnesium hydroxide to swallow. Then the acid and base, these two are neutralized, and finally to reduce the stomach pain. And setting. The and setting, when it is and setting to our body, then it is injected to a formic acid. We can apply and to rub sodium hydrogen carbonate. Then these two are neutralized and reduce the pain. And soil treatment. The farmers, when they are to farming, before they are to soil testing, then if it is have the soil excess of acid, then to add a base and to get neutralized. Or the soil should have a base character to more, then we can sprinkling to acids, then automatically these two are to get neutralized. Finally, it is used to a useful soil. So this neutralization and indigestion, indigestion is the one of the part of neutralization. Thank you.